Hey guys, welcome to Morning with Pam. As always, I'm back again with new veggies. And for today's video, I'm gonna be making a Singju, FoxNut Singju, tangjing. In local, we call this tangjing. And also the bitter, what do we call this again? Oh, I forgot. Ayangtae. Kamena kaba we call in Manipuri, okay? And these are ginger flower. Okay, it's very fresh and it smells wonderful. And always my fermented fish, fresh king chili, and these are lombas fresh leaves. So with that said, let's start preparing the ingredients. Guys, everything is ready. When you cut the foxnut, you'll see inside like this, lots and lots of seeds. And I have sliced it into thinner piece. Ayangtae, bitter eggplant. And I will be using 3 ginger buds, flowers. So this is more than enough. And first of all, before making, I need to roast this fermented fish. So let's roast. Let's clip it. Take a clean bowl and add the king chili, salt, piece of garlic, crush it together. Add fermented fish. Add the ayangtae. Oh, I remember, this is bitter eggplant. In the beginning of my video, I forgot. I just had a thought block, so it wasn't coming. Bitter eggplant, got it. Let's start mixing. Wow. Tin giọt lê. Ang nam lagi shije. Hui awanje. Oof. Tivare. So guys, the much awaited recipe is here, and this is how it looks like. Look at the color, it's so vibrant, it's so refreshing. The smell, especially the ginger buds, the flower, it's so good. The taste, it's out of this world. So when I was randomly buying some veggies in one of the Nordic shop, I saw the foxnut and the bitter eggplant, and I was just thinking what to upload for my next video. Then I just got an idea, so I tried first and it was amazing, superb. So I just want to share it with you all. So this is how it is. So I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Thank you so much for watching. Always eat, enjoy, and stay healthy. See you soon.